Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. In 2021 Assembly Constitution election, you are a candidate of your party. Number one, please give your information about your Assembly constituency.
My Assembly constituency is Baliganj Assembly constituency situated in Calcutta.
Okay. Regarding COVID-19 second wave, are you in favor of lockdown in Bengal or not?
The first thing that I am in favor of is that the central government and the state government accept that we are in the second wave of COVID-19. In the absence of the government recognizing that we are already in the midst of a second wave, where only yesterday in 24 hours we have recorded the highest rise of new cases, that is 2,75,000 cases, which on a comparative scale in my Baliganj constituency, the number of voters are lesser than what we have recorded in 24 hours as new COVID cases. Just for comparison I am mentioning, such as serious situation we are in, and the government is silent. If the government is silent, if the government doesn't take cognizance that we are in the midst of a very, very serious second wave, which may last up to 3 years, it is important for us to understand that the question of a lockdown or any other measure is superfluous, because the government itself is not accepting, whether it be the central government or the state government, that we are in the midst of a serious health pandemic.
National versus regional issue, also your party's first anti-incumbency issues. In which way you managed all of those during your campaign?
During our campaign, people in my area are seriously affected by the lack of job opportunities, and on the other hand, the serious increase in inflation on daily use items. In this context, in my constituency, I have requested that everybody should ask for just 2 simple records to be given by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In the 8 years that Narendra Modi has ruled India, how many people, how many young boys and girls have got jobs in the rail, in the postal department, in the public sector units, in the banking sector from Baliganj? Not a massive list, just 1 job per year. Have 8 people got 8 jobs in Baliganj Assembly constituency due to the policies implemented by Narendra Modi. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress MLA from this area has held the number 2 position in the state cabinet. I have requested the Trinamool Congress to publish names of just 10 people, 1 job per year, who have got jobs from the Baliganj Assembly constituency in the state government or due to the state government policies, and this itself will expose the hollow way in which the central government and the state government have actually executed their policies here in West Bengal.
Sir, 2021, who will be managed magic figure from a government in West Bengal?
Well, the Sangyukt Morcha is moving ahead to form the government, and not only the magic figure, we will be in a comfortable position to form a stable government for the next 5 years.
In constitutional process, what is the meaning of Khela Hobe? General election, not a Khela. The slogan ethically right or wrong?
Well, it's very clear that the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party are indulging in a jugalbandi, where the Trinamool Congress is saying Khela Hobe and the Bharatiya Janata Party is replying by saying that they are going to play along. And this is exactly to defocus the people from the core issues, that is the performance of the central government and the performance of the state government. Neither the BJP nor the Trinamool Congress would like to present before the people of West Bengal their concrete performance record as to how many jobs they have created, how they have been able to curb inflation, how they have helped to improve the quality of life of the people of West Bengal in terms of executing central government policies, in terms of executing state government policies. In the absence of this situation, they would like to indulge in distracting slogans, and this distracting slogan is Khela Hobe or Amra Khelbo, being what we call played out by the Trinamool Congress and the BJP here in West Bengal.
Thank you, Dr. Holly. In camera, Jitendra Saw, BN Report, Fosak TV.